going to a party.
Where did you get the costume?
That's a secret. Mom, you put me on the wrong costume. The adventure party team is Avengers.
Well, a costume is a costume. What difference does it make?
It's a different costume that's different. It looks different.
Anyways, you have to go to the party.
No, I'm not going to the party. What's this? The biggest fist of ever. Ooh, it punches me. I need to do some magic to get the right costume. Oh, these are my favorite costumes. Spider-Man, Captain America, Iron Man. Yay, I don't have to wear this! Iron Man is here. Yeah, boy, that's what's up. Iron Man here. I can jump down. Going to a party.
Where did you get the costume?
That's a secret. Bye guys, make sure to subscribe and smash that like button. Bye bye.